A secret mission collapses in chaos, and what was meant to save lives ends in disaster. What really went wrong with America's most daring rescue attempt? In November 1979, during the Iran hostage crisis, 52 American diplomats and citizens were taken hostage in Tehran. For 444 days, the United States watched, waited, and struggled to respond. President Jimmy Carter faced mounting pressure, diplomacy stalled, time was running out. So the U.S. launched a bold, high-risk plan, Operation Eagle Claw. The mission was insanely complex. Elite Delta Force operators would fly deep into Iran, rendezvous in a remote desert location known as Desert 1, then push forward to Tehran under cover of darkness. Helicopters, transport planes, secret ground teams. Everything had to go perfectly. Because if even one piece failed, the entire mission would collapse. On April 24, 1980, the operation began. C-130 aircraft carried troops across the border. 8 Navy helicopters launched from an aircraft carrier in the Arabian Sea. But almost immediately, things started going sideways. A massive sandstorm, known locally as a haboob, engulfed the helicopters. Visibility dropped to near zero. Pilots were flying blind. One helicopter turned back due to mechanical failure. Another got lost in the storm. By the time they reached Desert 1, only 6 of the 8 helicopters remained. That was the bare minimum needed to continue. And then, another helicopter was declared inoperable. Mission status compromised. Abort was the only option. And this is where everything fell apart. As forces prepared to withdraw, one helicopter collided with a C-130 transport plane. A massive explosion lit up the desert night. Fire, chaos, panic. 8 American servicemen were killed instantly. The rescue mission had become a tragedy. The surviving forces evacuated, leaving behind burned wreckage, classified documents, and even bodies. The world watched. America was stunned. The failure exposed serious weaknesses in U.S. military coordination and planning. It also dealt a heavy political blow to President Carter, influencing the 1980 election. But out of failure came transformation. Operation Eagle Claw led to major reforms in U.S. military operations. It directly contributed to the creation of the United States Special Operations Command, a unified force designed to prevent such disasters in the future. In a strange way, this failed mission reshaped modern warfare. Operation Eagle Claw wasn't just a failed rescue. It was a moment of heartbreak, a lesson written in fire, and a turning point in American military history. Sometimes, the missions that fail the hardest change the future the most. Was Operation Eagle Claw doomed from the start, or just incredibly unlucky? Should the U.S. have attempted such a risky mission in the first place? And here's the big one. Do failures like this make a nation stronger, or expose its deepest flaws?